Tactic number two. So, again, something we see people using a lot is thank you videos. So this is more about, I guess, thinking about the trigger points that might be happening in your CRM, or in, if you're in e-commerce, maybe connecting to Shopify and going off new product purchases. So new customers and new donors as well. So if you're a charity or not-for-profit, if there's any sort of new donor event that takes place in your CRM, you could link up to Bonjoro, then send thank you videos to those customers based on that event. And here we're looking at sort of driving, I guess, more reviews. Maybe if you're in e-commerce, by sending these videos, you're going to probably drive more reviews. And I'll talk about that in a second. More repeat sales, more word of mouth as well for your brand. Like, people are going to be delighted by the videos that they're seeing coming through from you. Talk to other people and say, by the way, I bought this product from company X and they sent me a thank you video. I can't believe they did it. And they're going to talk to more and more people. And word of mouth is such a key component of great marketing strategy. So think about whether videos in your sort of customer journey here in terms of purchases could create that word of mouth, and also more donations as well. And talking about that, so this again, I think was back in 2018 when we just launched our Facebook community. Tim McElravy, who runs a YMCA camp, he started sending thank you videos to all of his past donors to their camp. So he runs a YMCA camp in the States, and every parent that previously donated to their camp to help them build facilities, he started sending thank you videos. And in the video, he did something really clever. He used a call to action button to link through to a YouTube video they'd put together of all the facilities they'd built, and lots of different sort of footage from around the camp. So these previous parents that had sent their kids to camp could see that their donations were actually making a difference. And he came into our Facebook community. I think this was the day after he'd sent one of his videos, sort of raving, sort of going a bit crazy, couldn't believe what had happened. And basically one of the parents had put an extra $3,000 in their bank account overnight just because he sent them one video. So pretty crazy. So thinking about what thank you videos can do and the impact they can have, it can be pretty amazing. And I think this one for me really sort of sparked that, sort of lit that sort of light bulb in my mind. And I started then talking more to our customers about thank you videos and how they could use them in different ways. And to show you some of those ways, so Tony Ray Tattoos, a company in the States who do, I think they do tattoos for kids. So they're more like transfers, not real tattoos. And they started sending thank you videos to everyone that purchased. So this was basically mainly the parents. They send thank you videos. And what they'd do is they'd link their call to action to the loyalty program that Tony Ray Tattoos run. And two things came out of this. One, they got way more people involved in their loyalty program. But then they also saw 15% extra revenue per customer. So basically people getting these videos, being delighted by the fact that Tony Ray Tattoos had thanked them personally and were coming back in the door and making more purchases, and probably making more purchases as well because they were part of that loyalty program. And they could get discounts as well for their second purchase. So really great e-commerce use case. Another e-commerce one, The Good Company, they actually do something that I don't see a lot of companies do. And I think they send about 7,000 thank you videos a month with Bonjoro. And they actually hire people to send the thank you videos. They're doing so many. They've hired people, freelancers, to send the thank you videos for them. So whenever a purchase takes place, they send a thank you video, and they've seen a 32% increase in return traffic. So definitely this is a really great one for e-commerce use cases and charity use cases as well. And Monk Store. So this is a really great use case. They started sending thank you videos, but also showing the physical product that they were just about to put in the post. And something they were measuring as a company from doing this was actually how many reviews they drove. And they did this for about 3 months and tracked how many reviews they got from their customers that they were thanking and showing their products to before they put them in the post and sent them off. And they saw a 90% increase in people that were leaving reviews, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. And actually pretty crazy. They went from, I don't know, what rank they were on Trustpilot in Denmark, but they went to #1 in the entire men's fashion category for Trustpilot reviews basically because they were sending Bonjoro videos and no one else was doing it, and they were getting so many reviews. So really, really great use case in there. And then the last one I just want to share, Heart Foundation. This is really cool, actually. They did I guess like a charity sort of fundraiser with schools all around Australia. And something they did was to send personalized videos to kids that were involved in this and to their parents, and sort of show them the things that they could be doing. So they were doing this whole sort of skipping challenge, and they were sending videos showing them what the latest challenge was, like every day, and also thanking them for being part of the fundraiser. Really just a great way of sort of driving like interaction with events. So I think that was really different for us, and I'd never seen anything like that. And it makes me wonder what other companies could be doing in terms of sort of driving activation around particular campaigns like that. And that was really cool. And they saw an extra $46,000 in donations from that level of interaction that they were doing, and the thanking they were doing for being part of that.